Hello, I'm going to show you now how to sort a list using a very quick A to Z, Z to A sort just by clicking one button. How this works, we click underneath the heading that we would like to sort by. Then in the data menu, can you see we have two very simple buttons. We've got A to Z and we've got Z to A. Now, depending on the resolution of your screen, they'll roughly be in the middle-ish of your screen. Now, how this works, like I said, click underneath the heading that you would like to sort the list by. If I were to click Z to A on that list, can you see the order of the list changes to be, Z to A? So alphabetically the highest down to alphabetically the lowest. And if I clicked A to Z, can you see it flips the list round again? Now, even though this says A to Z and Z to A, if I click underneath some numbers and press the same buttons, it works for numbers as well. So can you see it sorts it numerically? If we had dates, it would also work for dates. Even this column here that contains, well, it's still number, but it's formatted as a currency. Can you see it will still work there? Now, one thing to make you aware of with this particular method is if there is a gap in the list, this method is really nice and easy to use. But can you see when I sort the list and there's a gap in it, can you see it will only sort down to the gap? So if you want to sort a list that has gaps in it, you need to use the button to the right to sort this further. One other thing to make you aware of, try your best never to highlight an area of the list, because if you do this, what can happen is Excel sometimes will actually sort that area of the list independently to the rest of it. So that will kind of corrupt your data. So you must click underneath one heading. Can you see one cell at a time, A to Z or Z to A? So that is a really nice, simple way of sorting one big block of a list in really a very few clicks, to be fair.